Are you struggling to get more plumbing customers? Want to generate high quality leads using Google Ads? In this video, I will show you step by step how to set up and optimize Google Ads campaign specifically for plumbing services. Stick around and by the end, you will have a solid strategy to get more calls, bookings, and business growth. Hey everyone, welcome back to Grow with Gentle Shamim. My name is Shamim and I help businesses grow with digital marketing. Today, I will be walking you through the exact process of running profitable Google Ads for plumbing services, whether you are a plumber or an agency managing plumbing clients. This guide will help you set up and optimize your ads to attract more customers. Go to Google Ads and sign in or create an account. Click on New Campaign and select Create a campaign without guidance. Choose Search as the campaign type since we want to target users searching for plumbing services. At first, you should set up conversion goals. For this campaign, you should choose lead form. I am just showing you, that's why I don't remove this, just continue. Select the results you want to get from this campaign. Choose phone calls and website visits to capture leads effectively. Enter your website's URL here and phone number. You can enter your campaign name, then continue. Now bidding. Choose conversions or clicks to optimize bidding. Set manual CPC bid limit to avoid overspending. Just for example, $5. Then next, you can show your ads on Google Search Partners Network and Google Display Network. If you select Twitch, then your ads cost will be high. You can choose I don't want to choose and enter your location. Just to go advanced search and enter your location. I want to show my ads on New York, that's why include. And you can exclude your ads Buffalo, that's why you can enter here BU Buffalo, exclude. You can see here your ad will show whole New York City without Buffalo. Okay, then save and you can enter your language. My language is English and audience segment. You can add here your audience segment in market affinity. If you want to learn this, then you can comment and comment box. I will make another video. More settings, add rotation, start and end dates, add schedule. You can set your ad schedule from here. I don't want all day and next. Final URL. Okay, generate and use Google Keyword Planner to find relevant plumbing related keywords. Focus on high intent keywords like emergency plumber near me, best plumbing service in New York, water heater repair service, drain cleaning service near me, 24 by 7 plumber New York. Avoid broad match keywords that could trigger irrelevant searches. Use phrase match and exact match keywords for better targeting. If you want to learn keyword research properly, then you can see this video from my channel, Keyword Research for Plumbing Service. And there is lots of video for keyword research you can see. Okay, here your final URL, display path, plumbing services. Then headlines. Here you can use 15 headlines within 30 characters. Then descriptions. You can use 4 description here within 90 characters. And you can use also site links extension, call out extension. Next, set you can set recommended budget or you can set your custom budget from here. Then next, and after review you can publish your ads, checking for errors. Then that's it. Install Google Tag Manager on your website. Set up Google Ads conversion tracking for phone calls and contract form submissions. Use Google Analytics to track how users interact with your website. Review your campaign settings and launch your ads. Check Google Ads performance metrics like CTR, CPC, and conversion. Pause low performing keywords and increase budget on top performing ones. A/B test different ad copies to improve results. Optimize and scale your campaign. Negative keywords. Add irrelevant searches like dry plumbing or free plumbing services to avoid wasted ad spend. Add extensions. Use call extensions, location extensions, and site link extension to increase engagement. Adjust bids by device and location. Increase bids for mobile users if more leads come from mobile sources. Retarget visitors. Use marketing ads for users who visited your website but didn't convert. Final tip. Keep testing and optimizing your Google Ads campaign to improve performance and generate more leads for your plumbing businesses. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more digital marketing tutorials. Also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. If you need help setting up your Google Ads campaign, drop a comment below. I will be happy to assist. Thanks for watching.